everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love movies, stars, and stories that inspire, you're in the right place. From sweating it out in the gym to delivering intense performances on screen and still making time for his family, Vicky Kaushal is more than just a Bollywood star, he's a phenomenon. And today, we're diving into special birthday tribute, why Vicky Kaushal wins every role and every heart. Let's start with his insane fitness. For Uri, the surgical strike, Vicky underwent a brutal transformation, gaining muscle, training in military drills, and even living with army officers to prepare for the role. He didn't just act like a soldier, he became one. Since then, fitness has become a part of his lifestyle, whether he's bulking up for Sam Bahadur or just maintaining peak shape between roles. He's not the loudest about it, but Vicky's discipline in fitness is one reason directors trust him with demanding roles. Vicky's career is the perfect example of range. He didn't start with commercial hits. His breakout role in Masan showed us a raw, emotional side that very few debut actors dare to explore. From there, it's been a rollercoaster of diverse roles, a protective husband in Razi, a confused lover in Manmarjan, a chilling encounter specialist in Raman Raghav 2.0, and of course, the national hero in Uri. He's worked with some of the best directors, not because he's loud or flashy, but because he's consistent, committed, and fearless in his craft. But behind the superstar is a grounded son. Vicky Kaushal often says, "I'm nothing without my family." His mom, Veena Kaushal, is a strong influence in his life, always keeping him humble and reminding him where he comes from. His father, Shyam Kaushal, a legendary action director, introduced him to the world of cinema, but Vicky carved his own path without shortcuts. He still lives close to his family and celebrates the smallest joys with them, from home-cooked food to quiet birthdays. And yes, now with Katrina in his life, fans adore the family man image even more. Vicky Kaushal isn't just a good actor. He's a symbol of what hard work, patience, and passion look like in today's industry. He represents a new kind of stardom, one built on substance, not spectacle. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us your favorite Vicky Kaushal role in the comments below.